more time. I'm gonna show you how it's done. What's happening here, ne? Let me just close this. Let me close it. Woo!
Fuck you, man.
My God, man. What the hell, bro? Yeah, like I was saying, this is where we wanna unselect everything. Okay. Okay, the sauce. So, first thing first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add display. So, as much as you can see, I managed to cancel everything. I managed to cancel everything that I was doing there so that I can show you step by step how it's done. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click source, that plus button. Okay.
Okay.
Then the first thing first, we're gonna search. We're gonna go for display capture. I want to record everything on my screen. Then I'm gonna add. Then I'm gonna choose the display, which is the monitor that I'm using. Then I'm gonna add source. Okay. Okay, of course. This is the regulations, the guidelines you have to follow when streaming. We got it. And we are on a dual thing, okay? Don't forget. We are on a dual. We are landscape and portrait. So we're gonna go ahead and click on it. This is the screen. On a portrait mode is on the left side. On a landscape mode is on this side. Second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add another source. This one, I will just go ahead and click alerts. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and click alerts. Just in case when I get a follow, when I get a message, all that kind of stuff, then I'm gonna add. Then here is where you test everything. As you can see, this is the preview button. Like if you want to see how it's gonna look like on the screen, you're just gonna go ahead and click here. This is the sound it's gonna play. Okay? This is the preview. Yeah, this is the preview. Then this one is a gift. When somebody is gifting you on the live, this is how it's gonna sound. Yeah, this is the preview. Of course, this is the preview follow. My bad. This one, when somebody subscribes, of course, when somebody subscribes on you, you will have what you call, what's this thing called? When you meet the requirement of TikTok for subscription, you understand? This is the sound is gonna play for me, but for you, you can just go ahead and browse on the whatever you wanna browse. But I'm choosing this one. Yeah, this is the subscription. So this is for the gift. The preview. This is for the gift. This one is for the subscription. Okay, then I'm gonna add source. Yeah, this is the most important part. This part is where we want to put our notification bar. So here, this is a landscape mode. So I like to put my notification bar on the top right corner, which is here, and resize it just a little bit, not too much, okay? I wanna make it 860 to 140, 1.4, So I'm gonna take it and put it right here on the right corner. I want it to be clean, guys. So when it comes to portrait, I'm gonna take my portrait and put it just right about here and reduce the resolution too. Let me just put in a middle and reduce the resolution. The resolution is supposed to be 507 by 387 on top. My bad. And just take it right here. Yeah. The screen? Yeah. I'm putting it on top of the screen. So lastly, this is optional. This one I'm adding is just optional. Okay, we're gonna add, it's just optional, and text. Okay, and add, then we're gonna add source. We are not gonna add it on our landscape mode. Here's what we're gonna do. Before doing anything, just come to source and go to landscape and highlight this one and click right on your mouse and delete. But on portrait it will remain, and take it on top here. My bad, TikTok, yeah, I love to put it right there. Okay, just right about there. Let me just edit something real quick. I wanna see something. Yeah, I wanna see something. Okay, I'll come here and just do this. Okay, my bad. Let's see, it's fine. Many letters. 2, 4, okay. Yeah, I think it's fine right now. Then we're gonna apply. You see, this is nice by the way. Follow and sub on the following: YouTube, Kick, Twitch, TikTok. Any platform that you wanna stream it or people you want them to follow you. Then for the last part is the streaming part. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. This is for the subscription. Never mind it. So we're gonna go live. Before we go live, it will ask us this. Okay. Make sure on your live you choose live info and go to gaming if you are a gamer, and just search any game that you are playing. But me, I don't like to specify the game. I just go ahead and say live now. Okay. Then I just warm welcome you to my live stream. Likes and follow and gifts will be appreciated. Don't forget, I follow you back when I end the live stream. Okay? Then this is where we have to be. This is the resolution that we need to set. But if you're still struggling, I'll go ahead and explain what it means. Let's just go to edit. On edit, you will click video quality, customize resolution 1080p, frame rate per second 60, video bit rate.
Yo, I'm kidding.
It has to be for 4,000 going upwards, meaning 4 megabyte upload speed per second. Okay, but me I chose 7. Then audio bit rate, I like to go to the highest so that you can clearly hear me on the live stream. Encoder NVIDIA, which is the first option, by the way. Then when you scroll down, this is just for the, don't click anything here, okay? Just leave it like that and close. Then we're gonna test our live stream right now. Then we're gonna go live.
Yes.
Then this will have to appear. You see this logo right here? It says live right now. Everything is doing fine. There's no frame drops. CPU is fine, memory is fine, upload speed is fine. There's no frame drops. There's no, like, everything is working just fine, okay? What I love to do, I love to close it, because automatically when you close it, it will appear here. But if you want to see it during the game, you can just play your game on a windowed mode so that it can appear. But for me, this is a personal preference. This is the people who tuned into my live stream right now as we are doing the tutorial. Then I'm gonna close it and go ahead. Let me show you the chat. I'm gonna greet myself, okay? I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna greet myself on the live right now. Okay. You see, it said, yo, Fifth Dog, this is me right here. So this is just a tutorial on how you can go live on TikTok using TikTok Live Studio. Peace, family.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Pop, pop. Bing, bing, bing.